and it makes it loosen up in the hind legs and use its hocks properly. When I do leg yielding, I always keep the horse positioned just a tiny bit away from the side that I'm riding towards. Make it move from the right leg, and it comes in again from the left leg. Positioned a bit into the left side here, I speed up a bit in between and wait a bit again. With young horses, we do leg yielding for quite a while, so they learn to keep their rhythm and regularity. So that it slowly becomes strong and learns to keep its balance when we move it to the side. As they get older, you can gradually make the leg yielding steeper, which means that you go in even more to the side, so that the horse learns to cross over even more. Now this horse isn't that old, so I'll try to do one that is a bit more steep. Then it becomes a little bit unsure of the rhythm. I straighten him up a bit again and let him go forwards a bit, and then to the side again.